Hello students, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is related with the subject financial risk management and today's topic is forward rate agreement FRA, that is one of the financial derivatives. So I'm going to explain you in detail about forward rate agreement. Now what is forward rate agreement FRA? Forward rate agreement FRA is a financial derivative contract between a borrower, buyer and lender, seller, wherein the buyer promises today to borrow a sum of money, notional principal amount, from the lender, seller in the future at an agreed or predetermined interest rate. The rate will be applied to an agreed notional principal amount. This rate is known as forward rate, and the lender seller has the obligation to lend money at the forward interest rate. So students, what is forward rate agreement? Forward rate agreement is a financial derivative contract or agreement between two parties, a borrower and the lender, whereas the borrower is promising today to borrow an amount, principal notional amount, in future at the agreed interest rate or predetermined interest rate. That rate is called forward rate. The rate which is agreed, which is predetermined, that rate is called forward rate, and the seller has the obligation to lend the money at the forward agreed interest rate to the buyer or borrower. So forward rate agreement is a derivative which is used for hedging the interest rate risk. Now forward rate agreement is an agreement for the long to buy an interest rate. If the interest rate rises, the long profits. Similarly, if the interest rate decline, the long loses. Therefore, forward rate agreements are used by the financial institutions to protect themselves against unexpected changes in the interest rate. A forward rate agreement FRA is another way to hedge interest rate risk. So students, why the forward rate agreement is using? Forward rate agreement is using for hedging the interest rate risk, because there is a high risk that in future the interest rates will fluctuate. Maybe the rates will go up or maybe the rates will go down. So to protect from the unexpected changes in the interest rate risk, the two parties will come into forward rate agreement, and here long position will be having by the borrower and short positions will be having by the seller. So in future, if the interest rate will go up, the long will be in profit position. The long will earn profits. If in future the interest rate will decline, the long will be in loss. Whereas in case of short, in future the rate of interest will go up, the short will be in profits. If the interest rate will go down, in that case short will in loss position. So forward rate agreement is an agreement between two parties for protecting from the unexpected interest rate risk. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And our YouTube channel, one video related with derivatives are there. So watch that. Thanks for watching this video.